This is what I call a secret man cave.
The current is very strong here.
Oh man, I'm on the secret beach right now.
You are watching Zubair's World.
Welcome to the new episode of the best beaches of Sint Maarten. Today we are going to Red Bay or Baie Rouge, and it's on the French side. Are you ready? Let's go! This is one of my favorite beaches of the island, and I am going to show you why this is one of my favorite beaches. Welcome to Baie Rouge. We are going to visit the best beach of this island, and we are going to do that in style. And I'm going to show you guys what I mean with visiting this beach in style. Come on. A lot of you guys thought that I meant with visiting this beach in style is with the Ford Mustang. No, that's not what I mean. This is what I mean. Just count to 10 and we're gonna do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go.
I don't know if you can hear me, but there is an arch over there, and we are going to swim through it. There's the beach where I came from. This is a mansion. It got destroyed by the Hurricane Irma, and they never fixed it again. So let's go to the arch and swim through it, because there is a secret beach behind that arch. Let's go. We are almost at the arch. Look at the secret beach over here with a destroyed staircase. But there is a big rock right in front of me, and I have to be very careful without injuring myself. So let's see how it looks like underwater. have to go around this rock. I don't know if I say that in English, but if you step on that thing, you're fucked. The current is very strong here. This is the beach. Look how beautiful this beach is. There is a house over there on the cliff. And the arch. I just swam right through it. So let's go to the beach. I made it. Oh. Woo. Woo. Oh guys.
Oh. Oh man, I'm on this secret beach right now. Look how beautiful this is. I just came from that arch over there. This is a little beach. Nobody's here. Oh man, this is so beautiful. And this is the only way to get here. Oh man, let's go to the end, see what's over there. Oh. I think I look like a turtle or a snorkel or some kind of crazy creature. Let's be very careful where we are standing at. So this is a little bit of a hiding place. Oh, shadow. If I would have some Moroccan tea, my life would be perfect right now. Oh, let's clean up the camera. Oh man, look at this. This is heaven. This is heaven, guys. Oh. I'm going to close my eyes, and when I open up my eyes again, I will see where I will end up. Okay. Have a good night, people. Nighty night. See you later. This was a beautiful day, guys. Thank you for watching. But first, I'm gonna show you something that I do and where I struggle with when traveling alone. Come, I'm gonna show you. This is a big struggle. When you're traveling alone and you're renting a car and you have personal belongings, either you have to take it with you on the beach or you have to hide it somewhere. Well, I chose to hide it because I swam behind that arch. The arch is all the way up there and I cannot take the stuff with me, so I chose to leave my keys underneath this rock over here. But before doing that, just make sure nobody sees you. Otherwise, your car is gone and everything is gone. So, this is what I mean with struggling when traveling alone. Yep.